Good evening, it's May the 9th and I'm here to show you a DIY on the Parrot Anafi for a tablet holder and for a more secure way to hold your large phone with a case. This is a Samsung 7 Edge with a full case, and I'll show you how it fits in here without even moving. Okay. This also is the same as the 3D printed piece of cardboard that QC guy told me about. You put that in there, and when you open it, it stops it from turning on. So we'll get to that. First, we're going to look at what I did to secure this. Marcus Crawford of the Idaho quadcopter, aka Idaho Sledhead, commented that when you open the Parrot, you can't fit a large phone in. So here you see a piece of black rubber. Now this actually is an extra piece I had from some landing gear I bought for another quad, and I didn't put the little tabs on the landing gear. It's just a piece of rubber with 3M tape, but I put that just at a line that clears the back of here. So when it closes, it just misses that and it turns it off. So when it turns on, my large phone I put underneath where that black tape is, and I put it in, and it's in there, and it's not going anywhere. Solid as a rock, and that piece of foam prevents it from flipping out. Okay, perfect, works great. Okay. The next thing is this 3D modeling piece of cardboard. See the blue light? I shove that in, turns it off. Don't have to worry about it. So that's two things now. So all that was, maybe you can see it better now with the light on it, just a black piece of foam. Just a black piece of foam. That's all. It works great. So it's turned off. Now for the tablet. Now this is a 7-inch tablet. It's a Tech-Class P89H. Regular 7-inch, same as a iPad mini 7-inch. Okay? It won't fit. Okay, you need some kind of a bracket. They're $25 US. That's a lot of money. So I figured, well, I gotta have something to make it one. So I have a coat hanger, regular, I think it's called a dressmaker's coat hanger or a suit coat hanger. It's got a piece of rubberized cord on it, and it's got little hooks in the end, and what you do is it hooks from here to here, and you put your suit in it, whatever. But I just cut the piece from here. It's got a channel in it, drill 2 holes, slip this through. What you do is you put that back there and put it on top of that. So we put this here like that, fits there. You just stretch this down a little bit, put that there. So the back looks, there we go, the back looks like that, and the front is there, and it's secure. And when I want to turn it on, take out the piece of cardboard, it turns on, and I can use it, and it's secure. When I want to turn it off, I put the piece of cardboard in, it turns off. Simple, very secure, it's not going anywhere. Okay, 7-inch tablet, it'll do fine. This is all rubber, it's not going to interfere with any signals. This is all plastic, there's no metal. Great, that's the idea. So 2 things, how to fit a large phone and how to fit a tablet. And I had a bunch of these laying around, so I just hacked about 8 inches off, drill 2 holes, away I go. Perfect. Thanks for watching. By the way, this is my other toy I spend all my money on. Just a little indulgence.